Hey scholars, I have made a really cool CVC word match game for Professor Ginger to play. Hold on, let me get her. Ginger! Hey, there you are. Hey Ginger, are you ready to play a really cool word matching game? Yeah, here we go. Do you see that black box in front of you? All right, inside that black box is a really cool prize. Now to get that prize, you have to unlock all 5 of those locks. To unlock a lock, you're gonna have to run to the other side of the yard where those keys are. Grab a key and read the word on the back of that key. Then you're gonna have to find the matching picture on the lock to find the matching lock to unlock it. Now here's the tricky part. You have to unlock those locks in the order that those keys are in on that pegboard over there. And here's the other tricky part, ready? You only have 5 minutes to do it in. What do you think, Ginger? Do you think you can unlock all of those locks in order in only 5 minutes? Wait. Not yet, I didn't start the timer. Hold on, scholars. All right, Professor Ginger, let's try this again. Let me start that timer. Okay, now go. Go get that first key. All right, scholars, let's pause the video and figure out what word this is. H says h. E says eh. N says n. Let's blend those sounds together. Ready? H, N. H, N. Good. Hen. All right, Ginger, take your key, go find the lock. Hurry up, the timer's going. All right, Ginger, you have 4 minutes left on that timer. Find that matching lock. Good, now unlock it. Let's go. Go get the next key. All right, scholars, let's pause the video so we can read this word. C says k. A says ah. T says t. Let's blend those sounds together to read the word. K, at. K, at. Cat. Good job. Let's go, Ginger. Hurry. Come on, Ginger, there's only 3 minutes left on that timer. You can do it. Find that matching lock. Okay, get that key in there. Ooh, almost. There you go, let's go. Hurry, Ginger, hurry. Okay, scholars, let's pause the video so we can read this word. C says k. U says B says b. Let's blend those sounds together so we can read the word. K, b. K, b. Cub. Good job, scholars. Go, Ginger, go! Come on, Ginger, come on. There's only 2 minutes and 5 seconds left on the timer. Find that matching lock. There you go. Unlock it. Here we go. Go, Ginger, get that next key. Let's pause the video, scholars, so we can read this word. D says d. O says ah. G says g. Let's blend those sounds together to read the word. D, og. D, og. Dog. Nice job, scholars. Hurry, Ginger. Get to those locks. Come on, Ginger. Find that lock. Hurry up. Okay, open it. You only have 1 minute and 7 seconds left. Come on. Hurry, Ginger. Get that last key. Okay, scholars, let's pause the video to read this last word. F says f. I says I. SH says sh. Let's blend those sounds together to read the word.
Fish. Fish. Fish! All right, Ginger, come on! Open that last lock! 10 seconds left, Ginger! Come on, Ginger, hurry! Get that lock unlocked, come on! Hey, you did it! Stop the timer! Yeah, you did it, Ginger! Way to go! Are you ready to see your prize? All right, let's go!
All right, Ginger, now that the locks are off the box, let's find out what your prize is. I can't wait. Oh, that came off really easy. Here we go. Oh, no way, Ginger. Those are the tennis balls that will fit into your tennis ball launching machine. That's awesome. What do you think? I love it too. Way to go, Ginger. Thanks, Professor Ginger, for helping us make our CVC word matching game video. I can't believe you got the prize at the last minute. What do you think of that prize? You love it? I knew you would. Way to go.